We all experience tiredness at times, and this can be relieved by sleep and rest. Fatigue is when the tiredness is often overwhelming and isn't improved by sleep and rest. Here's 10 conditions that are known to cause tiredness and fatigue. One of the most common reasons for feeling constantly run down is iron deficiency anemia. Women with heavy periods and pregnant women are especially prone to this. It can also affect men and postmenopausal women when it's caused by the stomach and the intestines, such as an ulcer or by taking a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. Typically, you feel you can't be bothered to do anything. Your muscles feel heavy and you get tired very quickly. Vitamin B12 and folate deficiency anemia also cause tiredness. It's also possible to have too much iron, and this can also cause tiredness. It's known as iron overload or hemochromatosis. It's a relatively rare inherited condition, and it affects men and women between the ages of 30 and 60. Sleep apnea is a condition where your throat narrows or closes during sleep and repeatedly interrupts your breathing. This results in loud snoring and a drop in your blood's oxygen levels. The difficulty in breathing means you often wake up feeling exhausted the next day. It's most common in overweight middle-aged men. Drinking alcohol and smoking also makes it worse. An underactive thyroid gland means you've too little thyroid hormone or thyroxine in your body, and this makes you feel tired. You're also likely to put on weight and have aching muscles and dry skin. It's most common in women, and it happens more often as you get older. A doctor can diagnose an underactive thyroid by taking a blood test. Celiac disease is a lifelong disease caused by the immune system reacting to gluten. Gluten is the protein in wheat, barley and rye, and it can also be found in foods like pasta, bread, cakes and cereals. 1 in 100 people in the UK are affected, but research suggests many of them don't know they have the condition. Other symptoms of celiac disease, apart from the tiredness, are diarrhea, bloating, anemia and weight loss. Your doctor can do a blood test to see if you have celiac disease. Chronic fatigue syndrome is also known as myalgic encephalomyelitis, or ME. It's a severe and disabling fatigue that goes on for at least 4 months. There might be other symptoms such as muscle and joint pain. One of the main symptoms of type 1 and type 2 diabetes is feeling very tired. Other key symptoms are feeling very thirsty, peeing a lot, especially at night, and weight loss. Glandular fever is a common viral infection, and it can cause fatigue along with the fever, sore throat, and the swollen glands. Most cases happen in teenagers and young adults. The symptoms usually clear up within 4 to 6 weeks, but the fatigue can linger for several months. As well as making you feel sad, depression can also make you feel drained of energy. It can stop you falling asleep or cause you to wake up early in the morning, and this makes you feel more tired during the day. Restless leg syndrome is when you get an overwhelming urge to move your legs, and this keeps you awake at night. You might also have an unpleasant crawling sensation or a deep ache in your legs. Your legs might jerk spontaneously throughout the night. Whatever the symptoms, your sleep can be disrupted, and this can leave you feeling tired throughout the day. Feeling anxious is something perfectly normal, but some people have a constant, uncontrollable feeling of anxiety, and it's so strong it affects their daily life. Doctors call this generalized anxiety disorder. It's a common condition affecting slightly more women than men. As well as feeling worried and irritable, people with generalized anxiety disorder often feel tired. You can check out my other videos on natural solutions for chronic fatigue, heavy metal detoxification, B12, and the MTHFR polymorphism for more. To learn about herbs, supplements, and natural treatment plans, check out my website.